Keeping up with the motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process. Bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Subject Maths, Standard 7, Chapter 11, Part 2, Topic Circle. Central angle. Angle AOB is a central angle. Children, you see the figure given below. You will see that AOB is the central angle. Now let us see what is a central angle. A central angle is an angle whose apex, or we can say vertex, is the center O of a circle and whose legs means sides, whose sides are radii intersecting the circle in two distinct points A and B. Central angles are subtended by an arc between these 2 points, and the arc length of the central angle of a circle of radius 1 measured in radians. The central angle is also known as the arc's angular distance. The measure of the angle subtended at the center by an arc is taken as the measure of the arc. The measure of the major arc is always equal to 360 degree minus measure of the corresponding minor arc. This is the formula we are going to use in our problems. See question number 1. Objective type. Choose the correct option. If arc AXB and arc AYB are corresponding arcs and measure of arc AXB equal to 120 degree, then what is the measure of arc AYB? See, the options are given below. We have to solve this question and we have to then find out the correct options from the given options. Now let us see. See, hint is given here. Measure of the major arc is always equal to 360 degree minus measure of corresponding minor arc. Therefore, measure of arc AYB is the major arc given here, 360 degree minus measure of minor arc AXB. AXB is given 120 degree. 360 degree minus 120 degree equal to 240 degree. Therefore, measure of arc AYB is what? 240 degree. Now, practice sums from the textbook. The radius of a circular garden is 56 meter. What would it cost to put a 4 round fence around the garden at a rate of 40 rupees per meter? You know, when you go to the playground or garden, you see that sometimes the garden is circular. Now the radius of that garden is given 56 meter. The first important thing is that if we know the radius of the garden, we should know the circumference of the garden. As we know in the previous slides which we have discussed earlier, circumference of circular garden is what? 2 pi r. 2 into what is the value of pi? 22 upon 7. Radius was given 56 meter. After cancellation, we are getting circumference 352 meter. Therefore, length of the wire required to put one round fence means for one round fencing will be equal to what? Circumference. One round means what? One circumference. Therefore, length of wire required to put a 4 round fence is equal to 4 into circumference. We know that circumference is 352 meter, which we have calculated already. Therefore, 4 into 352 we get 1408 meter. Therefore, length of 4 rounds of fence is equal to 1408 meter. Therefore, cost of wire per meter was given rupees 40. You can see from the question, per meter cost is 40 rupees. Therefore, total cost is always equal to length of the wire required into cost of the wire. What is the total length given? Not given, we have already calculated. 1408 into cost 40. We get 56,320. Therefore, cost of put 4 round of fans around the garden is 56,320. Like same way you can do the you can find out the cost of the fencing of your garden or somebody else friend's garden also in the same way. Now next question, the wheel of a bullock cart. Many of them have seen the bullock cart. They know that how the wheel is, that wheel is round. The wheel of a bullock cart has a diameter. So this bullock cart has a diameter of how much? 1.4 meter. How many rotations will the wheel complete as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer? Means the bullock cart is traveling, the wheel is traveling and covering how much distance? 1.1 kilometer. We have to find the number of rotations. So the first important thing, diameter of the wheel of bullock cart, write down 1.4 meter given. Circumference of the wheel of the bullock cart is equal to pi d. We know the formula, either if diameter is given we will use circumference equal to pi d. If radius given we are using circumference equal to 2 pi r, equal to 22 upon 7 into 1.4 equal to 22 upon 7 into 1410 equal to 4410 equal to 4.4 meter. We have converted it in meter. So be careful while you are solving. Sometimes the slash sign is missing here. We will put the slash sign here. Now, distance covered in one rotation is equal to circumference of the wheel, equal to 4.4 meter. Now, number of rotations equal to distance covered by circumference, equal to 1.1 kilometer upon 4.4 meter. Distance covered, just we know from the question how much it was given, 1.1, and distance and circumference is 4.4 meter. Just now we have calculated. Now convert kilometer to meter. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Multiply it by 1000. 11 in 1.1 into 1000 upon 4.4. We remove the decimal. It will become 11 into 1000 upon 44. We get 250. Therefore, the wheel of bullock cart will complete 250 rotations as the cart travels 1.1 kilometer. Now next question is activity. Measure the circumference and diameter of the objects given below and enter the ratio of circumference to its diameter in the table. See, here some objects are there which we can find in our house also. Bangle, circular dish, lid of the jar. You can take the bangle in your home from your mother, or circular dish which is available in your home, and the lid of the jar. Then one is done for you. Suppose bangle circumference is 19 centimeter, diameter is 6. If we find the ratio of circumference upon diameter, we get 3.16. Same way, the circular disc you will take in your home, measure the circumference, measure the diameter, find the ratio. It should be equal to 3.16 or 3.14. Next is, again you take the lid of the jar, again find the circumference, diameter, find the ratio. You will observe that ratio of circumference to the diameter is same and is approximately equal to 3.14. Whatever you are getting, it will be all the three will be approximately equal to 3.14. Thank you children. Have a nice day. Go through the e-textbook link given below.